Hey guys, so pag-usapan naman natin ngayon yung about sa 72-hour fund review mechanism ni ITP. And it is related sa compounding na ginagawa natin with ITP. Okay, so here's my account right now. Meron na ulit siyang 201 total assets. And last night, after my quantization, chinek ko yan. So, nasa 161 lang yung quantized amount ko, yung valid quantized amount. And now, look at my quantized amount. It's 178. So, nadagdagan siya ng like $17. Okay? So, kasama na dun yung earnings plus yung commission. Okay? So, people are joining my team. Congratulations, guys. You are also making money from this platform. So, I have total of 95 team size. So, kung makikita nyo lang yung mga messages ng mga members dito international, malulula kayo sa mga binibitiwan nilang kapital. Kasi they are so comfortable to invest their money from this project because of the stability of this company. So, ngayon papaliwanag ko sa inyo bakit iba siya sa mga investment platforms na nakikita natin sa crypto space ngayon. Okay? So, yeah, while I'm explaining that, guys, let me quantize my account kasi I'm running out of time again. Ayan, kung mapapansin mo yung time, it's 11:48 and that's the server time, okay? So, dito tayo nakadepend sa server time. So, dito sa Canada, it's 12:48 a.m. Okay? So, every 1 a.m. nagre-restart yung timer na yan. So, yung server time is every 12, of course. Okay? So, yan. Meron tayong like, how many minutes? 12 minutes to do my quantization para hindi masayang yung araw ko today. So, let me start. Ganito lang ginagawa natin para kumita ka dito. Magti-click ka lang and then magti-trade na siya. Okay? So, arbitrage trading yung ginagawa ni ITP. So, nandito lahat ng details. Explore mo na lang dashboard mo. So, ang explain ko sa inyo, yung mga importanteng dapat nating malaman. Okay? So, ayan, nag-start na ako ng quantization. So, magta-trade na siya. So, guys, gusto ko i-explain sa inyo yung compounding, how it works dito kay ITP. So, for example, nag-join ka kay ITP and plano mo siyang i-compound. Yes, compounding is really very powerful kasi yung capital mo, yung profit mo daily ay dumadagdag sa capital mo. So, ibig sabihin, your capital yesterday is different from your capital today kasi sumama na yung profit mo. So, but there is a certain rule and qualification for that. So, that's why we have the 72-hour fund review mechanism. Okay, balik tayo sa quantize. Ayan, so it's running. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, guys, for example, nag-join ka ng Monday. Okay? Of course, magko-quantize ka na niyan, kikita ka ng 2.5% of your $100 capital. So, for example, laki-lakihan natin, gawin natin 1,000. So, ang $1,000 mo, okay, let me click this again. Ang $1,000 mo dito, kikita ng $25 per day. Okay? So, let's compute. Okay, for example, you invest $1,000 times 2.5%. That's $25 per day. Alright? So, Monday ka nag-join, nag-quantize ka. Then, after mong mag-quantize, ang pera mo na sa capital mo ay $1,025. Alright? Now, the next day, magko-quantize ka ulit. Okay? So, don't expect na meron ka dito sa today's quantized amount na $1,025. It's the same, guys. 1,000 pa rin. Bakit? Yung $25 na dumagdag, meron niyang 72 hours na fund review. Okay? So, nandyan lang yun yung income mo. That's why merong nakalagay na to release funds. Okay? So, again, merong 72 hours. So, nag-start na yung 72 hour nung $25 na profit mo yesterday, Monday, okay? So, bawas mo na yung 24 hours sa 72 hours. And then, syempre, Tuesday, nag-trade ka ulit, nag-quantize ka. So, kumita ka ulit ng $25. Alright? So, ngayon, ang magiging total asset mo na is $1,050. Okay? So, the next day, alright? Expected mo, ang capital mo na is $1,050. Not yet, guys. Bakit? Hindi pa tapos yung Monday profit mo sa 72 hours na review mechanism. So, bawasan mo na yung 72 hours. So, ibig sabihin, pagdating ng Thursday, okay, let's just compute. So, 72 hours divided by 24, that's basically 3 days. Okay? So, on Thursday, dito na magi-start yung compounding mo. Okay? Kasi kumbaga, matured na yung Monday profit mo. So, your capital on Thursday will then be $1,025. So, dun na sumama yung $25 mo. So, your profit on Thursday, iba na siya ngayon. Meron na siyang madadagdag na. So, 1,025 na yan, capital mo, times 2.5%, that will give you now 25.625 profit. Okay? So, again, yung 25.625 na to, start na siya ulit ng 72-hour review. Okay? So, Friday, the next day, magte-trade ka ulit. Guess what? Your capital by Friday is now 1,050. Why? Because yung profit mo nung Tuesday, nahinog na din siya. Correct? So, ganun tumatakbo yung compounding ni ITP. Okay? So, continuous na yun, guys. Why? Sa umpisa ka lang maghihintay ng 72 hours. Alright? Kasi, habang nagte-trade ka, habang nagka-quantize ka, every day, nagsistart na mag-mature yung 72-hour review mechanism ng bawat profit mo. So, ibig sabihin, pag nag-start ka ng maaga, after 4 days, continuous na nadadagdag yung mga daily profit mo from previous days. Okay? Just keep in mind na bawat bagong amount na dumadagdag dito sa account mo, okay, hindi siya instant na dadagdag sa quantized amount mo. Okay? So, that's one part of the sustainability of this project. Kasi guys, hindi lang maliliit na kapital yung pumapasok dito. Kung makikita mo sa mga groups, okay? I belong to Canadian group, alright, of ITP. Ayan, kasi nandito ako sa Canada. And guys, yung usapan nila guys, grabe. Sabi ko nga, scared money won't give you any money. Take a look at this guys. Kung magkano yung usapan nila na binibitawan nilang amounts dito. So, they are investing like $20,000 sa ITP kasi gusto nilang mag-withdraw ng like 1,000 every 72 hours. So, hindi basta-bastang pera yung pinag-uusapan dito kay ITP. And bakit ganun ka-confident yung mga investors? Alright? So, dito lang yan sa Canada, how much more yung mga taga-ibang countries pa. Mas malalaki. So, gaya nga nung isang video sa TikTok na senior ko, grabe, kumikita na siya ng $5,000 per day. Okay? Ang members niya lang ay nasa 4,000 plus. So, sa ibang company, kailangan mo ng tens of thousands of people under you para mag-earn ka ng ganun kalaki. So, dito kay ITP, bonus mo na lang yung commissions na makukuha mo sa mga invites mo. And again, bakit mo sasarilihin yung isang magandang opportunity? Kung ikaw nag-earn ng money at nakita mong sustainable yung project, why not share? Para yung iba ko kikita din, 'di ba? So, yung si Mr. Mac yung top leader dito, and he joined ITP 9 months ago. Ayan. And he invested $3,000. And guess what, guys? Nag-start daw siya na mag-build ng team on his like 5th month. Alright? So, doon nag-start na mag-boom yung ano niya, yung network and capital niya. And guess what? Kung magkano na yung amount na capital niya ngayon, nasa 125,000 US dollars. So, kapag kinompute mo yung quantized amount niya, kasi syempre, I think nasa G5, alright, 50,000. Kung 125,000, so it means nasa G5 or G6 siya. Yung G6 kasi nandito nakalagay is 200,000 minimum quantitative amount. So hindi, nasa G5 lang siya. So G5, pag nasa G5 ka, I think nasa 3.3% yung per day mo. Alright, so he's earning 5,000 per day. Galing lang sa Quantize yun. Wala pa yung commission sa mga taong nagjo-join sa team niya. Okay? At sa mga taong nag-a-add ng funds. So, purely profit yun from trading. Alright? And then, 5,000 US dollars times 31 days. So, $155,000 yung kinikita niya monthly. Okay? So, na-build up niya lang yan in less than a year. And guess what guys? Ngayon pa lang nagbo-boom talaga itong si ITP. Okay, so worldwide, ayan, ang daming natutulungan. Make sure to join their Telegram official channel right here. So, makikita mo dito yung mga tao na talagang real people na nagbe-benefit. So, dito naman kasi, hindi mo kailangan maging MLM guru or big-time investor to earn. Kasi, lahat tayo mag-start sa 2.5%. Kahit $100 na minimum ang ilagay mo dito, mag-earn ka ng 2.5%. Okay? So, kung gusto mo ng mas mataas na earnings, then do your best. Okay, sa G2, maganda-gandang earnings na yan sa G2 kasi ang requirements lang sa G2 is kailangan mo ng $500 minimum capital and 5 members, direct referrals, na meron silang tigo $100 at least. Okay? And I heard na para ma-enjoy mo talaga yung profit mo dito, mag-start ka ng magandang earnings, i-aim mo na mag-upgrade or mag-rank up sa level 3 or G3. Why? Kasi sa G3, the minimum capital, accumulated capital, must be 2,000 US dollars. And eto na, 7 times ka magko-quantize at ang earnings mo daily, alright, hold on, let me show you. Join kayo dito guys sa Telegram channel natin. Meron official si ITP, nasa 150 or 160,000 members already. But if you want to communicate with me and to build a team with me, you build your group and to communicate with me, make sure to join this Telegram channel. Ayan, I will include the link in the description. So, hope bear with me guys. So, ito yon. Pag nasa G3 ka na, you will earn 3.1% per day. Okay? So, ang requirements, kailangan mo lang ng 20 people na direct referrals mo. Okay? It's like 2,000 US dollars kung tigo 100 yung mga tao na yon. So, marami ka nang natulungan and at the same time, tumaas pa yung earning potential mo. 'Di ba? So, 2,000 minimum and you're making 3.1% per day. Let's compute that. So, 2,000 times 3.1%. Then, you're making $62 per day. Okay? So, it means, ang compounding nito, once na nag-mature na yung first profit mo dito, so, ang magiging capital mo na on your 4th day, okay, sa G3, kasi nag-mature na yung first profit mo sa amount na yon. So, 2062. Okay? So, ganito na lagi ang magiging earnings mo for another 4 days. Okay? Times 3.1% is 63.92. Okay? And then, the compounding will work very powerful kasi the next days, dun mo na mararamdaman yung pag-angat ng capital mo na as in, hindi mo na namamalayan ang laki ng nadadagdag sa daily profit mo. Okay? So, ito ngang, kaka-withdraw ko lang dito sa 500 capital. Nasa G2 na sana ako eh. Kaso, bumaba yung capital ko. So, hindi na siya qualified for G2. Bumalik ako sa G1. And, kasi nasa 201 na lang yung valid amount ko. But once na naging 500 ulit yan, I still have this first generation member. Sobra na nga ako ng isa. 'Di ba? So, mag-earn ulit ako ng 2.8% instead of 2.5%. Right? So, yeah, that's how you earn from ITP. Hindi mo kailangan maging marunong sa trading. Hindi mo kailangan maging MLM guru or magaling mag-recruit. Dito, once you start to invest or recharge with $100, you will start to earn $2.5 daily. And on your 4th day, madadagdagan ka na. Kasi 2.5 na everyday yung nadadagdag sa capital mo, and the power of compounding will continuously grow. So that's how powerful this ITP is. Kaya maraming nababaliw. Ayan, so ang daming nagjo-join at na-open yung mind sa ITP. But then again guys, there's no 100% guaranteed for every platform, especially in cryptocurrency. Always do your own due diligence and only invest what you are comfortable of losing. So, yun guys. And again, that's my update with ITP. This is the best passive income I've known so far and the longest platform that is operating since 2013. And yeah, make a research and decide if you want to add this to your portfolio. So thank you so much again guys. Please keep in touch. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel and comment your thoughts. I'll respond to you ASAP. And please do like this video if you like it, and this will help my channel grow. Again, this is Baby Snow. Thank you so much for watching. Happy earnings everyone. Bye-bye.